Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my doTERRA LRP haul order. I'm so excited because I have an oils problem, and not even just an oil problem, I'm addicted to the body care line. Like, I cannot stop buying body products. I can't stop. Like, I have a problem. Seriously, you guys, like, it's a problem. I need like a rehab for like doTERRA, because it's like, oh my god. Anyway, I'm going to share with you guys a couple of my body products and an oil that I haven't really talked about, I don't think, on my channel very much. So I'm going to share that with you guys. So before we dive into this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's dive into this video. Alright you guys, one of my household favorites is the Bath and Body Bar. I talked to you guys so much about this in my channel. If you have not watched my other videos, I'm sure you're probably tired of me talking about it, but I can't stop because it's probably like one of my favorite doTERRA products. Bath and Body Bar. It has grapefruit and bergamot, and it's made with jojoba oil in the soap. It is so lathering, it is so luscious, it feels so good on your skin. Like, I just seriously can't get enough of how great this stuff is and how good it smells, and it's fresh, and it's clean, and it's light, and it's just aromatically beautiful. So if you guys don't love this by now, you should, because you should be buying it because it's so great. Alright, let's move on to the giant bottle of conditioner. See, this is the problem, I'm telling you guys. Okay, so I bought the 1 liter. Yeah, I know. I used most of my LRP on this because I couldn't control myself because the conditioner is so good. So I was using this for the last like 8 months, and then I decided, okay, well, maybe I need to like buy more oils and less body products, and I decided to cut back on buying conditioner, and I bought some Body Shop conditioner, which was not really anywhere near as great, and not really as nourishing, and full of colorant and chemicals, because Body Shop is misleading. Sorry, Body Shop, I love you, but you're misleading. Take forth the conditioner. So amazing. This stuff is so conditioning. My hair barely gets split ends. It helps it grow so much faster. Like, I don't know, there's something about using essential oils and how like amazing they are, that they just like, it makes my hair seem to grow faster and stronger and healthier. And it has all of these amazing oils in it. Like, there's rosemary, lavender, lemon, avocado oil, like the list goes on and on. Sandalwood. Like, there's just a bunch of different great oils that are really, really healthy and good for helping your hair strength and growth and feeling nourishing and conditioning, and just helps with dry hair. And it just, oh my god, like, this stuff, seriously you guys, is so good. The conditioner, I'm just like infatuated with how good it is, and it smells so amazing. So I got the 1 liter, so it should last me like hopefully like half a year because it's giant. So yeah, that's conditioner. New big bottles. They carry the 1 liters in Canada now, which is really exciting. I don't have to buy it from the US. Yeah. Alright, my good old fave, doTERRA hand and body lotion. This stuff's so good. It is unscented, so you can add any essential oil you want into your lotion every single day. So you can just like put something in the palm of your hand, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and massage that into your skin. Use it just on its own if you want. I don't usually add a lot of oils to it. Like, once in a while I do, but I tend to just keep it like good old faithful like this. I use this on my face in the morning and at night. It is very moisturizing. It's very light moisturizer, so it's not super thick and heavy and cakey. And I use it all over my body every single day, and I just love that there's such great ingredients, and it's not full of a bunch of chemicals, and it's full of good ingredients that are actually good for your skin, because your skin's your biggest organ, and you want to take care of it, and you want to make sure that it's healthy and not having a bunch of chemical put onto it, because all of those lotions that are full of like fragrance and chemical are super bad and super dangerous for you. So switch to a natural, more healthy alternative. Alright, and the next thing I got for you guys, the one oil that I did get, was Balance this month. Balance is something that I use every single day. So I use this to balance out my morning, and I put it on the inside of my wrist, a dab here, I rub it in, and then I also put a drop on the bottom of my feet to absorb into my feet, which absorbs into your body the fastest within 3 to 6 seconds, because your pores in the feet are actually the biggest on the bottom of your feet, if you didn't know that. But this oil just creates calm and well-being and just warmth, and it's like woody and delicious smelling, and I just can't explain how just like it just like starts your day in such a beautiful way. So it contains whole wood, frankincense, blue tansy. Blue tansy is got so many beautiful health benefits for you. Blue tansy is just so amazing for your skin, for overall like relaxation and calming any like anxious feelings you might be having, and just bringing everything back down. Like, it's just such a beautiful oil for like relaxation. Also contains blue chamomile, helps to bring a grounding effect and a calming effect, and just harmoniously making your entire like everything feel good. It just is such a great oil to start your day with, or to end your day with, or if you're feeling anxious. It's just beautiful. So yeah, that is Balance. I use that every single day, twice a day. So that is my LRP order for this month. I just indulged in a bunch of body products and an oil. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.